Hello guys and welcome to Technology. Today we are going to work on coding with Scratch and we have two projects. The first one is step by step and the second one is 10 blocks. So without further ado, let's get started. So our first project is called step by step. As it's written here, in this activity you will follow the getting started tutorial to create a project in Scratch. Once you have completed steps, experiment by adding Scratch blocks to make your project. So for this first project, since we are getting started with Scratch, you go ahead and open your Scratch. You can do it either online or you have a Scratch application. Go ahead and launch your Scratch app. And we're going to work with a tutorial. Just follow along what you're asked to do, and I ask you to click on tutorial. Go ahead, if you're on Scratch, click on tutorial. On Scratch there are many tutorial. It's like a library of games that are created that you can follow step by step. For this video we're just going to start with this project. So if you click on the tutorial, and they are going to show you step by
With
step.
Scratch, you can make your own stories.
This is a presentation of Scratch, what you can make with Scratch. I'm not going to play it because of time. There are many tutorials that was the introductions. We have let's pick this one, animate your name project. If you click on it, they are going to show you how
You
you
can
can
use Scratch.
use Scratch to animate your game. So if you click on this arrow, they are going to walk you through step by step what you're supposed to do to use this project. So go ahead, click on any tutorial, pick any tutorial that you'd like to experiment, like this one, imagine a world. It always starts with a video if you're online, if you are using the Scratch online versions. And if you click on this arrow, it's going to show you step by step what you're supposed to do. How are you going to reproduce this game? This is the first work that you'll be doing. Just click on tutorial and follow all the instructions. The second one that we're going to do is 10 blocks. So it's a kind of a challenge. They ask you to, what can you create with only 10 Scratch blocks? Using only these 10 Scratch blocks, what can you create? Try to come up with an interesting project, like it's written here. Create a project using only 10 blocks. Use them once, twice, or multiple times, but use each blocks at least once. So try to test, as it's here, test ideas by experimenting with each blocks. Try to play around with blocks and create your own projects. If you are done creating all these two projects, save your work in your laptop, and I'm going to grade them next week Thursday. So do not send it to me, just save it. Save your work on your laptop, give it a name. The first project would be named step by step, and the second project would be named 10 blocks. So this is it in a nutshell, your today's work. I repeat again, you are going to do two works. The first one is called step by step using the tutorial. Just go to Scratch, click on tutorial, pick any tutorial and follow through step by step how you are going to create a project. And the second assignment is 10 blocks assignment, where you are going to create a simple project using only these 10 blocks. So I have included this document on Class Dojo. You can click on the document to follow along. I'm looking forward to receiving your questions. Should you have a question or preoccupation, I'm right here available waiting for your question. So once again, as I say, once you're done, don't forget to save your work. The first work will be saved as step by step, and the second one will be saved as 10 blocks. And to save your work, once you're done creating a work, just go to file and save to your computer and give it a name. Yeah, this is it for today. As I said, if you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much and see you next time Thursday. Bye.